This last problem, a lot of us get intimidated when we have to read. But don't stress it. You can do it. You can do it. We just have to know our vocab and take the time. Take the time. Our question says, which statement is true about the double box and whisker plot? So I have two groups, A and B, and we're comparing their test scores. So let's go through and read. Question A says that Group A's median is 5 points higher than Group B. The median, remember, that's this number here. That number, that's that line in my box plot. Is A's median 5 points higher than B's median? It's 5 points lower. So it's not A. B says the Group A range is larger than Group B. Remember, range is how wide, how spread out, how far apart my minimum and my maximum are. So Group A's range would be from 30 all the way to 80. Group B's range would be from 10 all the way to 100. Is Group A's range larger than Group B's range? Group A's range is 80 minus 30, which is 50. Group B's range is 100 minus 10, which would be 90. C says the Group A data is more dispersed, more spread out than Group B. That's kind of like looking at the range again. How spread out is my data? Are my sections big or are my sections small? Are Group A's sections bigger than Group B's sections? Group B is more spread out. Its sections are bigger. And then D says Group A's interquartile range, or IQR, is greater than Group B. Remember, the IQR is how big is my box. So A's box goes from 40 to 70. So 70 minus 40 would give me 30. And then Group B's box goes from 50 to 75. 50 minus 75 would give me 25. So Group A's interquartile range is greater. So we should choose D. Again, take the time to read them. I know it's a long question, but it's worth it in the end.